Hello students, let's continue with chapter 2, file management in Windows 10. In last class I explained you the meaning of your chapter, what we are going to learn in this chapter. So file means is collection of document, management means how we manage our files and folder. Folder means, are you remembering? Drawer where we keep all files in sequence. And window means operating system, and 10 is a flavor of window operating system. Understood? So today what we are going to learn? Today we are going to learn about this PC. We are going to learn about this PC, File Explorer, how we can create shortcut of any program on desktop. We are going to learn about this PC, File Explorer, and how can we create a shortcut of any program. Understood? So let's start with this PC. So what is this PC? This PC is a name given to the My Computer icon from the previous version. Means in Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1 we are having icon of My Computer on desktop. But in Windows 10 we are having this PC which is replacing My Computer. Okay, this PC is replacing to My Computer. It is understandable. But what is the need of this PC or My Computer? We can see all the content. Means this PC displays all the content of the computer's hard disk, CD, DVD or any other external device such as a smartphone and pen drive. Understood? So this PC is one of the most important feature of Windows, as it allows us to view and manage all the data that we have in our computer. From this PC we can manage, we can view all the data that we are having in our computer. Let's imagine if we are having some documents, whatever your exam paper, your notebook paper, your online classes you are having on inside the computer. If you want to see all together, where are they stored, and you want to manage them, where you will go? You will go to this PC. There you can manage also and you can see also. Okay, so as a summary, as a conclusion, we can say this PC is a program where we can view and manage all the data. This PC is a program which is used to view and manage all the data that we have in our computer. Understood? So let me show you how we can open this PC. To open this PC icon, double click on it, this PC folder opens. Okay, so simply we just need to double click on this PC icon, then you can see window of this PC. Okay, so let me show you. See, this is desktop of Windows 10. This is desktop of Windows 10. As usual, this is taskbar. Are you able to see my cursor? This is taskbar. Okay, and this is your start button. What is this? This is your start button. Just see my cursor. Here you can see start button. Okay, now these all are the icons of my desktop. Are you able to see now? These all are the icons. Icons are small picture that you can see on the desktop. Okay, so here on the third number, first is control panel, second one is recycle bin. We will discuss about it. In last class I discussed about control panel. Let me show you how control panel look like. This is control panel. Understood? When you want to open any icon, you just need to double click on it. So this is your this PC and I am double clicking on it. Double clicking, it will open. Okay, this is screen of this PC. This is screen of this PC. Here you can view all the data and you can also manage your data. See, if I want to download anything, the downloaded file come into the download. If I'll make any document, the made document will come in the inside the documents folder. If I'll save something on desktop, it come into desktop folder. If I'll download some music, it's come into inside the music folder. Understood? So here, as a conclusion, as a short explanation, I can say this PC allow us to view and manage all the data that our computer have. Understood now? Okay, so go further. Now let's discuss about our second topic, File Explorer. File Explorer, I think this is new for you, but it is also some similar to this PC. This PC is a program. File Explorer is also a program. First of all, let me explain the File Explorer. Then after I'll compare this PC and File Explorer. So what is this PC? What is File Explorer? File Explorer is a program that is efficient for viewing files and folder in Microsoft Windows. Are you able to understood? File Explorer is a program that is for viewing the file and folder in Microsoft Windows. In Microsoft Windows. When I show you now, practically, you will understand. It is suitable for viewing files and folder in a hierarchical order. Here you are having a word hierarchical. I'll explain this word also. Simply, hierarchical means you are having a folder. Inside folder you are having folder. Inside those folder you are also having some subfolder. Inside this subfolder again you are having some subfolder that you can manage the data. If you want to manage the data of first to fifth class, what you will do? First of you will make a single folder first to 5. Inside the first to 5 you will make 5 folder, class 1, class 2, class 3, class 4 and class 5. Inside class 1 you will manage data of class 1. Inside second you will manage data of class second. Inside class third you will store your data of class third as on for class 4 and class 5. Okay, this is called hierarchical. When you store you are having root folder. Inside the root folder you are having some subfolder. So File Explorer is very helpful for efficiently organizing files and folders that are stored in different disk drive of a computer. File Explorer is very helpful for efficiently organizing files and folders that are stored in different disk drive of a computer. Now I'm covering some theory portion of how can we open the File Explorer. There are so many options, but priorly I am explaining you three methods. How can we open the File Explorer? Method 1, method 2 and method 3. Firstly, let me give a theoretical touch, then I will show you practically. In the method 1, our first step is click on start button. This is start button. Click on all apps. Inside the start button we are having all apps button. There we will click. When we click on all apps, after that we click on Windows System folder. We will find Windows System folder inside the W series. Click on the File Explorer option to open the Explorer window. Okay, so let me show you. See, this is your start button and I am clicking on it. After clicking, I am going to W series. All program are already in series, so I am directly going on W for finding Windows System. This is Windows System. Are you able to see? This is Windows System folder. When I am clicking here, I find a drop down menu. Inside the drop down menu, I am able to see File Explorer. See here, I am having File Explorer and I am just clicking on it and File Explorer open. This is screen of File Explorer. How can I find that? See, on the top I am seeing that you are on File Explorer. Understood? Understood? Okay. In File Explorer we are able to see hierarchical form. See, this all contain is inside this PC. In this PC I am having 3D objects, desktop, in desktop class 1, in the class 2, again I am having live class. This is hierarchical form of the folders. Inside the one folder I am having so many folders. Inside that folder I am also having some folders. This is called hierarchical. And from here I can open any folder. See, if I'll open class 4 also I am having here. If I'll open class 4, here I am having my data. Understood? So this is work of File Explorer. Understood? This is first method. How can we open File Explorer? Now I am explaining method 2. It is very simplest method. You can open the File Explorer by simply pressing the Window plus E key. Understood? I am not able to show you my keyboard, so I am just pressing the window and E key, window key and E key, and File Explorer to you, open to you. Okay, so window key plus E key, I pressed out it. Now File Explorer is open. Again File Explorer is open. Again you are having this PC. See, this is one folder. Inside inside this PC you are having this another folder. Inside this each and every folder the separately data is managed. This is called hierarchical. Okay, so this is second method, window key plus E key. Now method number 3, it is more simpler than method 2. You just need to go to your taskbar and you will find a file explorer icon and you just need to click on it. So this is your taskbar. This is taskbar. On the taskbar you are able to see this is your file explorer. When you just take our cursor on the icon now, there will come a name of folder or file, whatever. Okay, so when I am just taking my cursor on this icon, it show the name of the icon. This is folder of file explorer. Understood? So when I click on it, double click on it, it's open. Okay, again you can manage your file and folder and all things. So let's revise again. Method 1, inside the method 1 we need to click on start button. After start button we need to go to Windows system. Inside the Windows system we find file explorer and we just need to click on it and ask him come to us. Okay, in method 2 we need to take help of keyboard. We just press window key and E key on the keyboard. In third method we just need to take help of mouse. Means we will take our cursor on the taskbar and just click on the file explorer icon and our file explorer screen come to us. Okay, understood? Is it clear to all? So after the file explorer we are going to learn how can we create a shortcut on desktop. How we can create a shortcut on desktop. Before it, let me explain what is mean by shortcut. Shortcuts are the convenient way to open. Shortcuts are the convenient ways to open any file, folder or program without going to actual location of the file. You can create shortcut at any location such as inside a folder on the desktop. What is meant? Let me show you by practically. See, I am going to this PC and I am supposed to make a shortcut for you. Like if I am going to make a shortcut of music. Now if I want to go to music now, first of all I need to go to this PC. Inside this PC I will find music. I need to follow 2 steps. Okay, but after creating shortcut on the desktop I don't need to come at this PC. I can directly access music from the desktop. First of all, let me verify. We are not having any music folder on the desktop. See, here I am not having any music folder. Okay, now I am going to create a shortcut of music. So just right click on it, send to desktop. See, I am repeating this step. Click on music, right clicking, then inside the pop-up you are having option send to. Inside this send to you are having desktop. here in bracket written create shortcut. So I am clicking on desktop create shortcut and it's created. See, music shortcut. So now I don't need to go first this PC. I can directly go to music shortcut on the desktop to open music. Understood? Is it clear to all? Okay. So let's continue with creating a shortcut on desktop. So again I am reading this. Now you will be able to understood. Shortcuts are the convenient ways to open any file or folder or program. We can also create shortcut of any file, shortcut of any folder or a shortcut of any program without going to the actual location of the file. In the previous example, actually music is located inside this PC. Yes, now, but now I taken music to desktop. So now we don't need to go to actual location. We directly go click on music shortcut that we are having on the desktop. You can create shortcut at any location such as inside a folder on the desktop. Understood? This is not necessary that we only make a shortcut on the desktop. We can create anywhere. Okay? So, creating shortcut on desktop. Creating shortcut on the desktop allows you to easily access the item. Item means file, folder, your program, etc. that the shortcuts link to. You can create a shortcut of a file, folder or of a program. Here we are having some steps. How can we create a shortcut on the desktop? So first step, right click on the desired file or folder. A shortcut menu appears to you. Next step, click the send to option. Step 3, select the desktop create shortcut option. I am hoping that you are clear with this step when I was reading it, because I explained to you. So again I am showing you another example of shortcut. Just remember this step. First off, go to actual location of the folder or file for making shortcut, for creating a shortcut. This time I am creating shortcut of download. Okay, so click on download, then right click here. Now send to. Inside the send to, you are having option desktop create shortcut, and just click on it, single click on it, and you will find your shortcut on the desktop. See, here we are having shortcut of download. Understood? Okay. So today we learned about this PC. This PC is the name given to the My Computer icon. From the previous version, it displays all the content of the computer's hard disk, CD, DVD or any other external device such as a smartphone and pen drive. And it allows us to view and manage all the data that we have in our computer. For open this, open the this PC, we just need to double click on the this PC. Okay, and File Explorer is also a program from where we can view our file or folder in hierarchical order. Okay, and we can also manage our data. That time I told to you that I will comparize the File Explorer and this PC. So what is main difference between File Explorer and this PC? This PC, see, when I'll open the File Explorer, Windows System, and File Explorer. When I open the File Explorer, inside the File Explorer I am having this PC. Understood? We are not having this PC separately. We are having this PC inside the File Explorer. This is main difference between. We can also view our data inside this PC, but if we want to manage our data or files in the hierarchical form, we just need to go to File Explorer. Understood? I know this is little bit difficult for you, but just read it 2 or 3 times. It's familiar with you. Then we learned some method. How can we open the File Explorer? Our first method was very long, as we need to click on Start button, then All Program, then Windows System folder, then inside the Windows System folder we need to click on File Explorer. In method 2, we just click on we just need to take help of keyboard. Through keyboard we just need to press out Window key and E key. Okay, in method number 3 we take help of mouse. We just take a cursor on the taskbar and we will click on File Explorer icon. Okay, then we learned about creating shortcut on desktop. This is very easy topic for you. For creating a shortcut, you just go to actual location of the folder, file or program, then right click on the desired file or folder. A shortcut menu appears to you. Then inside the shortcut menu you will find Send to option. Inside this Send to option you will find a option Desktop Create Shortcut. Just click out on it. You will get your file or folder as a shortcut on the desktop. Okay, and what is the mean by shortcut? Shortcuts are the convenient way to open any file or folder or program without going the actual location of the file. You can create shortcut at any location, such as inside a folder on the desktop. Understood?